For a fact, having chicken with rice is just a waste of the chicken, but today is just that day. So we are going to be making a very delicious chicken stew that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. With me here I have my ingredients. From this corner I have some salt, I have my cooking oil. For the list of spices, I have some turmeric for the color, some chicken cube and some curry powder. I also have my garlic and ginger, some tomato paste, but you can also use tomatoes. I have some coriander stems, some capsicum, coriander leaves, some onions and some 2 bay leaves, and then I have my chicken. This is half a chicken and it also has the 2 feet and the liver and the gizzard. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is broiler chicken, and broiler chicken doesn't need to be boiled, so we are just going to cook it and it will be ready in about 15 minutes. So I'll start by adding my cooking oil. Then as this becomes hot, I'll go in with my onions. And by the way, I've done a similar recipe, actually the exact same recipe a few months ago. That means this chicken recipe is just the bomb recipe. So as we wait for my onions to turn color, I'll go in with the turmeric. And the turmeric was just for the color, nothing much. So this is going to give our chicken some color, because broiler again is usually very white. Now that my onions are how I like them, I'll go in with my chicken. Then I'm going to sprinkle this with my ginger, as well as some salt. Yes, it is where we are going to add some more salt when we add our vegetables. Then I'll cover this and give it about 5 or so minutes. About 5 minutes later, this has been cooking its own juices. I'll add in my garlic. Then I'll add in my bay leaf, as well as my coriander stems. And remember, we're making a stew. Then I'll go in with my tomato paste. Then I'm going to go in with my spices, and I'll break my chicken cube. Then I'll go in with my curry powder. I'm going to add about half of my capsicum. Then we'll go in with some water. And this looks delicious. I'll cover this, then give it about 5 minutes, then I'll be back to taste for salt, and we are going to boil it for about 10 or so minutes. About 5 minutes later, our stew is still doing okay, and I'm here to taste the salt. The salt is just enough. You do not need to adjust the salt, so I'll go in with about half of the remaining capsicum. Then I'll cover this and give it about 5 more minutes. So this is a total of about 15-16 minutes thereabouts since it started cooking, and I've also tasted my chicken and it's ready. So I'm going to get my veggies off the fire. I'll switch that off as well. Then get this off the fire like that, and you can see how beautiful this looks, and the castiu hapo. So we are going to garnish this with our remaining capsicum hazikuwa mingi. Then I'm also going to top this up with my coriander leaves. As you've seen, it was that easy, and I'm just going to give this a taste test. Let's pick on this, dip it in some sauce. Wow, this is so good. Wow. So there's also a caliver. So I hope you get to give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one.